Hello guys, welcome back to my space. Thank you so much for watching. To my new subscribers, thank you so much guys for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate you all. And to my returning subscribers, you guys are the reason why I'm still on YouTube. Thank you so much for all you do. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I make my simple gel. This gel will help you detangle your hair. It will help you grow your hair. Like, it has a lot of amazing benefit for your hair, and I know you will definitely be interested in this kind of video. So just keep watching and I will be right back. So guys, to make this gel, I'll be using flaxseed and clove. This is what flaxseed looks like. Guys, flaxseed is very essential if you're trying to grow healthy hair. It is rich in vitamin E, which is great for both skin and healthy hair. It helps improve blood circulation in the head, therefore promoting healthy hair growth and also slowing down breakage. It also helps prevent premature graying of hair. It is a very essential ingredient to add to your hair care and you really love it. And our next ingredient is clove. Guys, clove are really amazing for hair growth and prevention of hair breakage. I have a couple of videos using clove on this channel. That is because they are actually very great. They do a lot of wonders to the hair, and I'm just going to go ahead and show you how to prepare this simple gel. So guys, I'll pour in water to a pot and add all the ingredients and let it boil to a certain level. So guys, the amount of water you're using depends on the quantity of your ingredients. If you would like to use my measurement, I'll leave it in the description box, so do well to check it out. So guys, while I wait for this to boil to a certain level, I want to remind you to please like this video, and if you're coming across this channel for the very first time, you are highly welcome. Please do well to subscribe and turn on your bell notification so you'll be the first to know when there's a new video on the channel. And if you've been watching my videos without subscribing, please go ahead and smash that subscribe button. And if you're generous enough, please go ahead and share this video to your family and friends, your social media, any platform you know people will benefit a lot from my videos. Just go ahead and share them and help my channel grow. Thank you so much guys. So guys, this has been boiling for over 20 minutes now, and I'm just going to leave it to continue boiling till the color changes from this color to this brown color. So this is how to know your gel is ready. The color will change from white to this brownish color. So I boiled this for a total of 30 minutes and this is what we got. You can see the gel on top is floating already. So what you have to do at this point is to turn off your heat and let it cool down completely. Then I'll go ahead and sieve it to separate the particles from the gel, because we are not using the particles, we are only making use of the gel. Take a good look at this guys. This gel is just so perfect for detangling your hair. No matter how tangled your hair is, this will surely do the work. So I'm just going to go ahead and transfer this into a container and I will show you a quick demo of how I apply this on my hair. So guys, this is how my hair is looking like right now. Can you see how healthy, thicker and fuller my hair is compared to the picture up there? My hair was actually longer, but I trimmed half of my hair a few days ago, and I'm really happy I did that, because hair growth is not only measured by length, it is also measured by thickness, volume and strength, and my hair has all that. So I just had to trim them off, and I'm so happy I did that. So first thing I did was to just section my hair. Then I took a generous amount and I'm just rubbing it all over my hair, and this is really detangling my hair so well, guys. You don't want to miss this treatment. Just look at that. Look at how shiny my hair is looking. So right now I'm going in with a white tooth comb, and you can see how free the comb is going in and out. You really need to try this treatment and you would love it. It's a great detangler. Thank you for watching to this point. Bye.